Most delicious homemade pizza with baby corn, mushroom, onion, etc. Cook tomato till soft. Make paste of garlic and cooked tomato. Heat while in pan and cook this paste. Add salt, kasuri methi and tomato ketchup. Cook it to get this consistency. Cut and saute onion, capsicum, mushroom, baby corn. Grate the cheese. Also saute the cheese cubes. To make a dough, add 2 spoons of old dry yeast in warm solution of sugar. Leave for 10 minutes. When the yeast was activated, refined wheat flour was added and made a soft dough in food processor. The dough is left for 30 minutes covered suitably. Our soft dough is ready. Now knead them well. Add some flour. Make suitable size balls of the dough. Put the dough in the oven plate and flatten it till it takes the proper shape of pizza base. Prick it with fork. Spread the sauce which we had earlier made over it. Put some slices of cheese and cover it with grated cheese. Decorate the base by putting sauteed vegetables, sweet corn, olive, onion, all this. Mushroom and this sauteed cheese cubes. Put the olive and put them all in the preheated oven at 200 degrees centigrade for 20 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can check it whether it is ready or not. If the knife comes out, we see it is done. Then take out and transfer this into serving plate. Most delicious homemade healthy pizza is ready.